Hey guys, I'm 5 Minute Gamer. We're mailing out free cookies to anybody who likes and subscribes. Are they going to come in one piece? No. Are they going to be tasty? Absolutely not. They just spent like a week in the mail. Are you going to want them? Probably not. But if you like and subscribe, I will guarantee you one cookie in one package in at least 150 different pieces. And please read the fine print because that's very important. Now we're talking about How to Train Your Dragon and the brand new ride that's coming after this short, awesome trailer. Should have started already. There you go, guys. That is the brand new trailer for How to Train Your Dragon 3, and it's coming out very, very soon. Think in February? Maybe, maybe I should go back and do a little bit of research before I make a video. But I'm halfway through and I can't go back now. I already deleted like 6 or 7 different takes. But what we're talking about today, guys, is the new ride that will be coming to Fantastic Worlds. Now, that is the going name for the third park, Fantastic Worlds, for Universal Studios. The new coming ride that actually they have a ride from How to Train Your Dragon in Dubai, but this will be a new coming ride to the United States. And it's going to be in the Fantastic Worlds Park once it opens, and it's going to feature Hiccup and Toothless and all the Night Fears, and you're going to ride around. Now, let's talk about how the ride may possibly work. I don't think it's going to be like this ride from Dubai. I don't think it's going to be a dark ride. I don't think it's going to be slow and boring and all that stuff. It's going to be very similar to the very famous Flights of Passage from Disney. And you're going to actually jump on your Night Fury, slap it in the butt. No, you don't hit your animals, people. You never slap your Night Fury in the butt. They might bite you. But you actually ride your Night Fury through danger and turmoil and spit lightning and disappear and then find a girlfriend and then there goes all your mind. No! I should not have said that. But no, you will ride your Night Fury just like you would in Flights of Passage. You'll feel the breathing and all that cool stuff. And they're going to make it ultra realistic. I think the reason why they'll go this way is because it's such a success for Disney. They won't want to repeat the same ride formula from Dubai. It'd just be too disappointing for any dragon lovers. That being said, Flight of Passage is amazing. If you want to kind of get a grasp on what it's like to fly a dragon, if you've never gone to like Avatar Dragon Flying School or whatever, just pop by Disney World because that's going to cost you a fortune. And you could ride your own flyy dragon thing with wings. Yeah, it's nice when they have wings. Anyways, no, but on a serious note, Fantastic Worlds is the theoretical new third park everybody's talking about. And I think it's going to be based on all the animation stuff from DreamWorks and stuff like that everybody has kind of mentioned. It'll have Super Nintendo World. It'll have How to Train Your Dragon World. It will have The Life of Pets, Secret Life of Pets. All these things have been rumored around for a while. Maybe another different Minions ride, although the one they have kind of sucks. And that's where they'll put all those kinds of IPs in the super mega park. And why would they do that? So you can actually battle against Star Wars Land, and it would make things a little more relevant to the kids nowadays rather than Star Wars. Although we all are looking forward to it, I'm sure that kids would love this new kind of DreamWorks area, right? Star Wars, it's going to have a few things that it's going for, like the innovative new hotel where you can pay an eye and a leg and a peg leg if you're a pirate to stay there. And I think how Universal will eventually combat that is by creating a Hogwarts castle that you can sleep in, possibly in Fantastic Worlds. I don't know. Also, now that I just thought of it, Fantastic Worlds, Fantastic Beasts, maybe that's where they'll throw all those IPs. Anyways, guys, I just want to say our schedule is Monday. We've got video game tips. Probably not good for your kids, but they're still fun. Tuesday, I'll have more of a tamed down version of tips and tricks for video games or theme parks and stuff like that. Please pop by. I really appreciate it. Wednesday, Actually, this upcoming Wednesday, we go look at ancient alien stuff. My wife and myself, this is kids friendly. And we go digging around, finding aliens, talk about the alien interview that's so popular on the interweb. And Thursday, which we have tech tips for any techie stuff you need to know about. And then Fridays is horror. And we do a bunch of scary stuff because monsters are cool, right? You know what I mean? So please take your cookie, email me, do whatever you want, and come back for next week.